I was about to leave when I decided to visit one more place here, this with wire bridge, and this is what I found. What is this place? So now I just have to take some shots here because it's impossible to resist, right? Whew. Oh my gosh, it's so shaky. Oh, what's this place? What is this place? Probably the fact I cannot stop shooting shows my unprofessional status. That means I'm still an amateur photographer because I can't stop, right? But what do you think? Could you stop taking shots in a place like this? Oh my god. This place is quite dangerous actually. Oh my god. It's very shaky, but it's so beautiful. Take a look. I just have to take a shot of this bridge itself. Absolutely freaking amazing. Gorgeous place. Phenomenal season. All these autumn colors in a place like this. I'm just a bit overwhelmed. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you know what to do.